In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade to black in CapCut. A clean fade to black is one of the simplest ways to end a scene, close a video gracefully, or create a professional-looking outro, and you can do it in just a few clicks. Start by opening CapCut. If you're on desktop, launch the editor and open your project. On mobile, tap New Project and select your clip. Once your video is in the timeline, click or tap to highlight the exact clip you want to fade at the end. If you have multiple clips, make sure the final clip, the one that reaches the end of your timeline, is selected, because the fade will apply to the clip you've highlighted. With the clip selected, look for the animation option in the editing toolbar. This opens a panel with three categories: in, out, and combo. Since we want the fade to happen at the end of the clip, choose the out category. Out animations play as your clip finishes, which is perfect for an end-of-video fade. In the Out tab, select Fade Out. This effect gradually lowers your video's opacity to 0, revealing pure black underneath. It's the classic fade to black finish that viewers instantly recognize. After you select it, adjust the duration slider to control how long the fade lasts. A shorter duration gives you a quick dip to black, great for fast-paced content, while a longer duration creates a smoother, more cinematic closing. Try 1 second for a snappy feel, or 2 to 3 seconds for a more dramatic end, and then fine-tune from there. Press play near the end of your clip to preview the animation. Watch how the fade lines up with your timing and pacing. If it feels abrupt, extend the duration a bit. If it drags, pull it back. If your timeline has several clips before the end, remember you only need to apply fade out to the last one for the video to finish in black. A quick note about audio. The visual fades to black, but audio can continue if it extends beyond the clip. Make sure the final word, beat, or sound aligns with the moment your screen goes fully black, so the ending feels intentional and clean. That's it. You've added a professional fade to black using animation, out, and fade out. This small touch instantly elevates outros, end cards, and transitions without extra layers or complicated effects. When you're happy with the timing, you're good to move on with the rest of your edit and export when ready. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!